Hi everyone, we are very happy to organize 4th Annual Mental Health and Neurology Conference, American Wellness Center, Dusit Thani Dubai. The aim was to present the academic as well as practical points and practical concepts and ideas to help bring the awareness and the treatment options available in this area. In this conference, we are very lucky to have the international and local renowned speakers who has presented state-of-the-art lectures, evidence-based workshops, poster presentations, panel discussions in the field of psychiatry, psychology, neurology, and mental health awareness. We also had a wonderful workshop with the active participation of the members about the mental health integration into the primary health care as well as in the pediatric care. This conference is a success in terms of bringing awareness, spreading knowledge, evidence-based and state-of-the-art concepts, ideas, panel discussions and question answers. So I'm very happy to say thanks to the VIPs, for the guest of honors, for our organizing team, scientific committee, organizing committee, our moderators, speakers, attendees and participants. I'm very thankful for the success. This success would not have been possible without your all help. Thank you very much.